This video will show you how to navigate the CSS44 webpage. So I have broken the class down into 16 weeks. Some of these are already published. Some of them will be published later on during the semester. And top of the webpage, you see a welcome message. Read through it. It will inform you about some of the class policies. Read through the syllabus to see what is the class textbook. I will have the office hours posted after the semester starts. Also, I have a forum set up for you so you can exchange information, ask each other questions, and help each other if you need to. So going back to the class web pages, you can click on them and that will take you to each of the web pages. Each week you will have to do different things. Week 1, for example, shows you how to get started and covers chapter 1 from the textbook. You will have quizzes, quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3 for the different chapters of the textbook that we're supposed to be using for this class. Most of these questions you will be able to answer by reading through the PowerPoints. So read the PowerPoint so that you can answer the quizzes. I've set the quizzes to unlimited attempts so that you can retake them if you don't like your score, and your highest score will be counted. For the projects, you'll see that I have videos on how to do things, and on the bottom of the weeks, if I go next, I'll be able to go to the next week. If I go previous, I can go to the previous week, so I've set it up this way. So let's say I want to go to next week, just so I can show you the project there. So the first project, P2, asks me to watch these videos, create the projects in them, and then zip them, and then show screenshots for the projects. So how would I do that? I'm just going to open up a project, run it, then zip it for you. So C# projects, I'm just going to open up this project right here, radio buttons. In it, there's a solution. I'm going to run that. And then I'm going to run my project. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of pictures using the snipping tool in Windows. All right, so I'm going to take a couple of screenshots. All right, that'll be one. I can save this. Say I'll save it on the desktop. And then I'll take another screenshot. Let's say a different color. All right, let's save that as well. That will be capture 2. Save. I haven't made the orange to work for this code. Anyway, so that's how you're going to be taking screenshots and to show me how your program worked. Okay, so now the next thing on how to submit a project is, right, this is my radio buttons project. I'm going to right click and I'm going to send to compressed zip folder. All right, so this is my radio buttons zip file, and I'm just going to move that to the desktop as well. So I have a couple of captures, a couple of screenshots to show me how the project worked. I have the project itself. So that's what I'm going to turn in for this, just to show you an example. So I'm going to click on Submit Assignment. I'm going to click Browse, go to the desktop, upload my zip file, and then I'm going to add my screenshots to show how the program worked. And then I'm going to click Submit Assignment. And As soon as that's done, you'll see at the bottom that you have submitted these different files, the radio button zip, the capture, and the capture 3. And then on the top, it shows you that you can resubmit the assignment. So if you want to change your submission, you can't really delete the files that you have already submitted, but you can resubmit the assignment and upload new files. So that is how you're going to be submitting assignments. And the quizzes are pretty straightforward. You can just take them by reading the textbook and the PowerPoints. Mainly the PowerPoints will be enough to answer the quizzes. Another important thing is your grades. Click on the grades and you'll be able to see your turned in assignments. And for example, I have turned in for the first programs here. It hasn't been graded. If your actual grade is something like this, which is less than the max, I will have a comment next to the assignment explaining why you lost points so that you can fix and resubmit your assignments. If you turn in your programs on time, you're allowed to resubmit them for regrade. If you turn in them late, no regrade for you. And that's how it works. Another thing is very important for you to uncheck this here so that you can see your true grade. And otherwise, it's not going to show you your real grade. Like right now, it's showing me, oh, I have 93%. Well, the reality is I only have 4% of the assignments completed. Right? So be sure to uncheck this in order for you to see your true grade here. Okay. So that is as far as the grades are concerned. So you know how to submit assignments, you know the quizzes, and you know the order of things. And last but not least, the best way to contact me is using this email. Please include CSIS 44 in the subject of your emails to me, and I will get back to you within 24 hours on weekdays and 48 on weekends.